Yo, what's up guys, it's Goo. Did you know that over 10 million people are making over 10 grand a month online? That's insane! They're just regular people who found ways to make the internet work for them. In this video, we're diving deep into 50 different ways to make serious cash online. We're talking freelancing, e-commerce, digital products, the whole 9 yards. I actually tried all of these myself for a whole month each, no joke. The goal here isn't just to show you cool ways to make money, but to actually help you find something that clicks for you. First up, we're diving into the world of freelance writing. Can you actually make bank just by typing away? Let's find out. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products and getting a cut. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Ebooks, courses, templates. The world of digital products is huge, but is it actually profitable? Time to create and sell. Online tutoring. Think you're a whiz at math or fluent in another language? Online tutoring might be your calling. Let's see how it works. Dropshipping, the holy grail of online businesses, or a recipe for disaster? Let's build a store and see what happens. Blogging is more than just writing, it's building a community. But can it pay the bills? Let's get blogging. YouTube channel? You're watching this right now, so you know YouTube can be huge. But is it really that easy? Time to find out. Stock photography. Got a knack for photography? Let's see if we can turn those stunning shots into cold, hard cash. Virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is all about organization and efficiency, but is it a viable career path? Let's dive in. Social media management. Everyone's on social media, but can you get paid to manage it? Let's try our hand at becoming social media gurus. Online surveys. Online surveys promise quick cash for your opinion, but is it too good to be true? Let's find out. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell custom designs without the hassle of inventory. But is it actually profitable? Let's create and sell. Podcasting. Podcasts are blowing up. But can you actually make money from talking into a microphone? Let's launch a podcast and see. App development. Apps are everywhere. But can a regular person actually build and sell one? Let's try our hand at app development. Online coaching. Got a skill you can teach? Online coaching might be your ticket to success. Let's see if we've got what it takes. E-commerce. E-commerce is booming, but can you actually build a successful online store from scratch? Let's find out. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding promises passive income and diversification. But is it legit? Let's explore the world of digital real estate. Cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency is volatile, exciting, and potentially very profitable. But is it worth the risk? Let's dive into the world of crypto trading. Stock trading. Stock trading can be intimidating, but it can also be incredibly lucrative. Let's learn the ropes and see if we can make some smart investments. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your expertise and generate passive income. Let's create a course and see if we can make it a hit. Membership sites. Membership sites offer exclusive content and a recurring revenue stream. Let's build a membership site and see if we can attract a loyal following. Freelance graphic design. Got an eye for design? Freelance graphic design could be your dream job. Let's see if we can land some clients and create some stunning visuals. Website flipping. Website flipping is like digital real estate. Let's see if we can buy low, add value, and sell high in the world of websites. Domain flipping. Domain flipping is all about finding valuable domain names and selling them for a profit. Let's see if we can strike digital gold. Online consulting. Online consulting allows you to leverage your experience and help businesses succeed. Let's see if we can build a successful consulting practice. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is all about leveraging your audience to promote brands and products. Let's see if we can become influential. Selling handmade crafts. Love creating handmade goods? Let's see if we can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Voiceover work. Got a great voice? Voiceover work could be your calling. Let's see if we can land some gigs and lend our voices to commercials, animations, and more. Transcription services. Transcription services are in high demand. Let's see if we can turn our typing skills into a profitable side hustle. Data entry, the unsung hero of the digital age. Data entry might not be glamorous, but it's a reliable way to make money online. Let's see how much we can earn by inputting data. Online translation. Fluent in multiple languages, online translation could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's see how much we can earn by translating documents, websites, and more. Writing ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to share your expertise and generate passive income. Let's write an ebook and see if we can make it a bestseller. Selling stock music. Got a knack for creating catchy tunes? Let's see if we can sell our stock music and hear it in videos, games, and more. Online fitness coaching. Passionate about fitness? Let's see if we can build a successful online fitness coaching business and help others get in shape. Freelance video editing. Video editing is a valuable skill in today's digital world. Let's see if we can land some freelance video editing gigs and create some amazing videos. Selling printables. Printables are a great way to monetize your creativity. Let's design some printables and see if we can sell them online. Online market research is a quick and easy way to make extra cash. Let's participate in some surveys and studies and see how much we can earn. Got an eye for vintage finds? Let's see if we can turn our thrifting skills into a profitable online business. Love planning events? Let's see if we can build a successful online event planning business and help people create unforgettable experiences. Freelance web development. Web development is a high-demand skill. Let's see if we can land some freelance web development gigs and build some amazing websites. Selling art online? Got a passion for art? Let's see if we can sell our art online and turn our creativity into a sustainable income stream. Online bookkeeping. Good with numbers? Online bookkeeping could be the perfect side hustle for you. Let's see how much we can earn by helping businesses manage their finances. Selling custom merchandise. Let's tap into the world of custom merchandise and see if we can create and sell products that people will be obsessed with. Online customer service. Online customer service is a growing field with plenty of opportunities. Let's see if we can land a remote customer service job and help people while earning a living. Selling software. Software is everywhere. Let's see if we can create and sell our own software and provide solutions that people will pay for. Online legal services. Legal services are moving online. Let's explore the world of online legal services and see if we can provide valuable legal assistance to those in need. Selling collectibles. Collectibles can be a lucrative market. Let's see if we can find some hidden gems and sell them for a profit online. Online personal shopping. Love to shop. Let's see if we can turn our shopping skills into a profitable business by becoming online personal shoppers. Selling digital art. Digital art is exploding in popularity. Let's explore the world of NFTs and crypto art and see if we can create and sell our own digital masterpieces. Online travel planning. Love to travel. Let's see if we can build a successful online travel planning business and help others plan their dream vacations. The results are in what really works online. So there you have it, 50 different ways to make money online, and let me tell you, some of these were way more successful than others. The biggest takeaway? You don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of money to start. What you do need is persistence, research, and the willingness to put in the work. If you want a deep dive into the top 5 methods that absolutely crushed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't